Welcome back to Earth from Space. Ahead of World Wetland Day, Copernicus Sentinel-2 takes us over Lake Titicaca, one of the largest lakes in South America. Covering an area of around 8,300 square kilometers, Lake Titicaca lies on the high Andes Plateau and straddles the border between Peru to the west and Bolivia to the east. It is considered the highest major body of navigable water in the world, as it sits at an elevation of 3,800 meters above sea level. The lake extends approximately 190 kilometers from northwest to southwest and is 80 kilometers across at its widest point. Tiquina, a narrow strait, actually separates the lake into two separate bodies of water. Many rivers drain into the lake, including the Ramis, one of the largest, visible in the northwest corner of the lake. The smaller Desaguadero River drains the lake at its southern end and then flows south through Bolivia. This outlet only accounts for a small percentage of the lake's excess water, as the rest is lost by evaporation caused by persistent winds and intense sunlight. 41 islands rise from Titicaca's waters, the largest of which, Titicaca Island, or Isla del Sol in Spanish, can be seen just off the tip of the Copacabana Peninsula in Bolivia. Several green algal blooms can be seen in the lake, including in the lake's northwest and southeast corners. Snow in the Andes mountain range can be seen in the top right of the image. Lake Titicaca is a designated Ramsar site of international importance, as its waters are essential to the well-being of millions of people who rely on the lake for agriculture, fishing and tourism, as well as water birds and animals that live along and on its shores. The 2nd of February marks the anniversary of the signing of the Convention on Wetlands of International Importance, known as the Ramsar Convention. World Wetlands Day aims to raise global awareness about the vital role of wetlands for our planet and population. From their vantage point of 800 kilometers high, Earth-observing satellites provide data and imagery on wetlands that can be used to monitor and manage these precious resources sustainably. For example, both the Copernicus Sentinel-2 and Sentinel-3 missions have recently been used to monitor the variation of chlorophyll concentrations in the lake and help detect trends and hotspots over time.